Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today, I'm sharing something super real and super practical, how I made my first $10,000 online with absolutely no budget. No paid ads, no team, no fancy gear, just a laptop, internet connection, and time. This isn't a get-rich-quick story, but if you stick around, I'll walk you through every single step of how I did it, so you can too. Why this matters. Making your first real money online changes something inside you. It's proof that you don't need permission from a boss, a company, or anyone. And for me, that first $10,000 online gave me the confidence to dream bigger. Choose a service-based skill. The first thing I did was figure out what I could offer for free. I didn't have a product, but I had a skill. If you're not sure what your skill is, here are a few you can pick up for free. 1. Copywriting. 2. Graphic design. Canva works. 3. Virtual assistant tasks. 4. Basic video editing. 5. Social media management. 6. Simple web design via Wix or WordPress. The key is to start offering a service, not building a product. Finding your first client. Next, I went client hunting for free. Here's what I did. 1. I created a very basic portfolio, Google Drive folder with sample work. 2. I joined Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and LinkedIn communities in my niche. 3. I offered to do small tasks for free or very cheap to build credibility. 4. I followed up and asked for testimonials. It took a few weeks, but then came the first $50, then $100. It snowballed from there. Productizing my service. Once I had a few happy clients, I realized I needed to scale, so I created fixed packages. For example, 1. I'll design your brand kit for $250. 2. I'll write 5 blog posts for $300. 3. I'll manage your Instagram for $500 a month. That way, people saw value, not just time. And I stopped charging hourly and started charging based on outcomes. Tools I used, all free. Here are some of the free tools that helped me. 1. Canva for design. 2. Google Docs Sheets for organizing client work. 3. Trello for task tracking. 4. Zoom for client calls. 5. Stripe or PayPal for payment. The best part? You don't need a fancy website. A simple landing page or portfolio in Google Docs is more than enough at the start. Repeat and refine. Once I had packages and testimonials, I did 3 key things. 1. Asked for referrals. Every happy client got me 2 more. 2. Shared case studies, showing results brought trust. 3. Increased my prices slowly, from $100, $300, $500. Over time, I stacked recurring clients and one-time projects. And within a few months, I hit my first $10,000. Biggest challenges I faced. It wasn't easy. Some of the struggles included: 1. Self-doubt. Am I good enough to charge for this? 2. Getting ghosted. Some people just vanish after asking for work. 3. Burnout. Trying to do everything at once. But each challenge taught me something new and helped me improve my systems. What you can do today. If you're watching this thinking, I want to make my first 10K online too. Here's your game plan. 1. Pick one skill, writing, design, etc. 2. Create 2-3 portfolio samples. 3. Offer your service in online communities. 4. Ask for feedback, get testimonials. 5. Build packages. 5. Raise your prices as you grow. You don't need a budget. You don't need experience. You just need commitment and the willingness to learn. Thanks for watching Startup Sparks. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and comment. What's the first online skill you want to try? See you in the next video.